This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. New and embellished above builder offerings. This rare and coveted Marsala floor plan is ready to be enjoyed. Built in 2021, this spacious and functional floor plan offers 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 bathrooms boasting over 2,200 square feet of living. Beautifully enhanced by adding wood flooring to bedrooms, contemporary built-ins including a Murphy bed system in one of the guest rooms, a chef's kitchen with natural gas and upgraded Samsung appliances, an upgraded door package. The stunning light fixtures, window treatments and ceiling fans give this home a true custom feel. Verdana offers a plethora of amenities. Outdoor and indoor pickleball and tennis courts, multiple resort pool settings, restaurant cafe, and dog walk to name a few. Be sure to click on the video tour link for a more detailed experience. Make this your next best address today. For more information, review the details below.